Hey everyone, hope you had a great 2023 as we wrap it up and 2024 is right around the corner. Hard to believe, but it is. The fact is, it's just about behind us. For many of you, you may have done very well in 2023, but for many of you, from what I've been hearing, 2023 was a rough year. 2024 didn't have to be that way, and we're going to talk about it. My name is Tim Cook with the West DFW REI Group, and we're going to talk about the blueprint for um, hitting it out of the ballpark in 2024. So come join us on 6th January. The networking, the the concepts, the strategies, the ideas, the marketing. We're going to talk about all of that and how important all of that is, including the networking to help you be successful. You're going to hear from our sponsors on that day, the sponsors that you can trust, and we believe that if you implement them into your business model, then they will help you be successful in 2024. So come join us. Click down below this at the bottom of this email or this calendar event to register, and we'll see you on the 6th of January. We're going to have breakfast and coffee waiting for you, so come join us. Have a good day.